Hey there, my name is Louis. I'm the co-founder of Showpad and I'm the Chief Products Officer. And in this session I would like to talk a bit about product. More specifically, I would like to bring some advice on how to make sure as a company you're building the right product, a product that is always being used by your customers. Now, at Showpad we use a framework which we call jobs to be done. It's a very simple framework that already unveils what it is by the name. So with the jobs to be done framework, you really dive very deeply in your product and you try to understand the jobs people have to do with your software. And because software is there, or any other product or service, to help people do a very specific job. So let's start with crafting the jobs to be done of Showpad. So, jobs to be done. Now, the first job that salespeople do with Showpad is they want to discover content. They want to make sure that they know what the most powerful, relevant content is for them to use. So we have to build products that help them do this. Secondly, you have personalize. So personalize is all about making sure that if you get a presentation from somebody from marketing, that you're able to customize a slide, maybe change something, delete something, and personalize it for your sales conversation. Then it is all about presentation, present. You have to present materials to your customer. Then it's about sharing. You want to share something through email. And ultimately, it's also about learning. People want to learn about their products and services through Showpad. So those are the jobs to be done that salespeople do on our platform. Now, I want to take this a level deeper. And I will first erase this because I need to draw some graphs. So an exercise that I recommend everybody to do, founders, CEOs, product managers, is to do the following. So you make a graph, you plot your jobs to be done. So discover, personalize, present, share, and learn. So those are the jobs to be done of Showpad. Now on the x-axis you make sure you plot all your active users. And then the question you have to ask yourself, how much % of my users actually uses features in the product or service you have to do the job they have to do? And the truth is that most product managers think it's something like this. So almost every feature is being used and everything that you develop is successful. This is a very idealistic way of thinking about your product adoption. Now, the reality is different. And the reality is mostly something like this. So personalize, present, share, and learn. So doing the same thing again. The reality, and this is the reality for Showpad, is that it's something like this. So this is the reality, this is the dream, this is what's actually happening. Now, at a point in time, if you're scaling as a company, you have to figure out where you want to focus on, because you will learn that you're not able to do all of those things perfectly well. Now, the problem is that if we try to keep focusing on all those jobs to be done, one day a competitor could come in and do this much better. Then our customers would go and we would be disrupted. So my advice to any one of you is to make sure that if you do this exercise, you focus on the features, on the products, on the jobs to be done that you're successful at. Make sure you differentiate on the things where you really matter. And the other jobs to be done, don't ignore them, but don't try to put all of your energy into it. Focus on the few things you do really well. And I can guarantee you, if you do that exercise, you'll be more successful, you'll be more focused, and your customers will really understand how you're different from competition. Thank you.